the Citibank, the US Bank, the Y, the famous Bonaventure. Yeah, very, very famous. You are correct. Oh, there goes an elevator down.
Well, we're next to the Bonaventure. It's kind of a landmark.
Yeah.
This is.
Exactly. It is.
It's pretty California, isn't it?
It is pleasant. It is. It's on the right-hand side.
Not there.
No, no, no. In here. And look what floor we're on.
Level 12.
Oh, this one's not labeled.
These are dark.
They used to be
not that dark. It just seems dark.
from broad daylight.
Let me get out my flashlight. It's nothing. I'm in the wrong pocket. There we go.
Good thinking.
And that.
Nice.
Yeah.
And now we continue down.
On separate levels.
Oh, that 400 South Flower parking garage.
South Flower.
Yeah.
Okie dokie then.
Yeah, there's.
Kind of see Haughton there. It's difficult to make out, but it's there.
I think one of the ones, and you know what's interesting is that they got the cab upgrade within the last 2 years, and
with the wood panel, or floss wood paneling.
yeah, and this modernization I think's well over 15 years old, and now the other ones aren't there. Ooh, ooh, hello Caprice. Sorry, those are some of my favorite automobiles, and you don't see them very often.
Alright, where do you want to end?
At where we started. Yeah, we want to go to the top. 12. Big
It
brother.
smells pleasant. It's kind of a cleaner smell, but it's a pleasant one.
Yeah, like it smells like kind of a
It's
lemon
interesting.
cleaner.
Yeah. Pine sol.
I wonder why they did this with the different elevators. And look at this call station up here.
Oh, it has lockouts on it. For some reason.
And then you have indicators up here too.
Is it worth having here for the sky bridge?
No, because we want the sky bridge. No, it's not. It's like the one that we go on upstairs.
Okay.
Actually,
It does say Bonaventure here. That's the next stop. It's this way.
yeah. Because we're on a hill, there's numerous sky bridges,
Okay.
but this is the best one in my opinion up here.
Cool.
And that's about it.